Hi, I'm Toby. I founded CheqUp because I saw the amazing impact of weight loss medication for people and how it was changing their lives. Today, we're helping thousands of people to lose weight, to keep it off and to be healthier. Many of our customers have been taking weight loss medication for 6 to 9 months. At this stage, we're often asked, I'm happy with my weight, now what should I do? Firstly, achieving any weight loss goal deserves a moment of celebration. We know how important these goals are. The results improve our energy, our body confidence, hormone balance, and crucially, our wider health. Once you reach your target weight, the next step is ideally to maintain it. So the weight loss medication you use to lose the weight can also be a great tool in maintaining your new weight. However, you may want to make some changes to your dose. Don't suddenly stop taking the medication when you reach your target weight. We'll help you adjust the dose to find the right one to maintain your new weight. Let's get technical for a minute about prescribing your medication. For existing CheqUp customers, we can prescribe to you even if you reach or drop below your target weight because we have a record of your weight loss journey. However, if your BMI drops below 22, we may request more information and check it's safe to continue. If you're new to CheqUp and want a maintenance dose, it's a bit different. In this situation, we'll need to understand your previous weight history and medications to make sure it's safe to prescribe. We hope this helps explain what happens when you reach your target weight. However, if you have any questions, please do contact us.